Hello guys, you're welcome to 3D Home, and in today's video I'll be showing us how to model handrail using SketchUp. Okay, I'll be showing us two methods. We have the manual method and also the automatic method. So let's proceed. So say for instance this is your slab. Okay, we want to model a rail using manual method. So the first thing, let's start with the balusters. Okay, let's pick something here. This size should be okay. This size should be okay. All right, so double click on it and then right click and create group. Okay, so double click inside again, pull it up to the height you want. Let's say 900 should be okay. So this is our 900. This thing is tiny. Okay, let's say 900, and then for us to duplicate this particular rails into equal sizes, okay, let's use a method called the move method. Let's make use of the move method. So you click on this move, all right, tap in your control once to activate your plus sign. All right, press control to activate it, bring it to this point, all right, and click. So once you click, type in / and then press 5, then click. You see we have equal sizes of this particular remember we typed in 5, so this is the 5 now. The spaces 1 2 3 4 and 5. Right, so the next thing to do, since let's model a glass handrail. Okay, so after getting our balusters, let's just draft in something simple here. All right, let's say the glass will get to this point, then move it forward from here. Now bring it to this point. Okay, this point, so you can see, and then double click inside, change it to glass material. You see we now have our glass handrail. Say for okay, this is the balusters. Okay, so the last thing we should do here is to model the top, okay, which is the handrail itself. These ones are the balusters. So let's just go with something simple. Click at this point to this point, take it up, bring it to this point. All right, to this point. Let's say we have arc. For instance, we can just draw simple something at this top. All right, something simple, then erase this line and then drag this one. Use your push and pull tool. You can decide to bring this to the front, which is this point. So this is our handrail now, using the manual method, and this is our glass handrail. Okay, glass handrail. So let's go with the automatic method, okay, and see how fast it's going to be. This is very, very interesting. But before you do that, make sure you have a plugin called the Majrail. Okay, Majrail plugin. This is the Majrail. Okay, so click on Majrail. You can only find it under extension if you have it installed in your system. Okay, so what will happen is I will drop the link on the description. Okay, so you can from there get the plugin and then install it into your SketchUp. So click on Majrail. There are different type of rail from A to G. So let's go with C. C is glass rail. Okay, so the height is 900, and then click OK. So you can pick the point depending on how your depending on how your shape is. With this one, since this one is straight, so type in, drag it from this point to this point, and then type in, don't click, just bring it to that point, and then press let's say 6. Let's make use of 5 because we use 5 there. Let's say 6 from 5x, then click enter. You see you have 5 spaces already, and then bring it to the front and double click, automatically to just show. So this is what we have now. Okay, this is what we have. You can see the handrail now. They are very beautiful, seriously. So let's do that again. If you don't want to select, or you don't want to add say you don't want to add the numbers, so just click on it And let's say, for instance, this is how your shape of the building is. Let's see, this is how the shape of your building is. So just keep moving it that way. But once you get to the last one, make sure you double click and automatically it will show. So this is another method. All right. So thank you so much for your time, and if you find this video helpful, do well to subscribe to this channel.